Hello everyone. Have you ever looked in the mirror and thought, this is not who I want to be? I have. And that moment changed everything. A few years ago, I was stuck. On the outside, I look fine. I smile in photos. I replayed, I'm okay. Even when I wasn't. But inside, I feel like I was living someone else's life. A version of me built on expectation. From family, from society, from fear. There was this one night, I remember it clearly. I was sitting alone in my room, scrolling through old pictures of myself, wondering, when did I lose that spark? And then came the question that shook me. What if I stop running from who I really am? That question didn't give me answers, but it gave me something more powerful. A direction. That was the beginning of my transformation. It didn't happen overnight. It wasn't always beautiful, but it was real. I started small. I said no to things and people that drained me. I spent more time alone, not because I was lonely, but because I needed to hear my own voice again. I cried a lot. I made mistakes. I forgave myself. I keep choosing growth over comfort. And slowly, step by step, I became the person I needed. The person I used to look for in others. Here's what I've learned. Change doesn't start when life gets easier. It starts when we get honest. When we stop pretending. When we stop waiting to be rescued. When we decide, really decide, that we are worthy of more. Because you don't need to be perfect to begin. You just need to begin. And yes, it's scary. But the scariest thing, staying stuck in a life that doesn't feel like yours. So, if you're in a place right now where you feel loose or broken, know this. You are not broken. You are becoming. Becoming takes time. Becoming takes courage. But most of all, becoming is worth it. Because who you are becoming is exactly who the world needs. Thank you.